Let me ask you the question you've been avoiding. Not what job will I get next, the deeper one, the one that comes at night. Who am I now without the work? If that question has been weighing on you, I want you to know something first. It is not weakness to feel this. It is, in fact, quite honest. Here's why it hits so hard for us. When you've given 20, 30 years to your work, the line between what you did and who you are quietly disappears. More than half of people over 60 have been with the same employer for a decade or longer. That's not just a job. That becomes your routine, your people, your place in the world, your answer to the question, what do you do? And when it ends, all of that seems to end with it. So let me say plainly what few people will. What you're feeling is a kind of grief, the loss of a version of yourself. And grief is not something you fix. It's something you move through. Anyone who tells you to just bounce back and think positive has never stood where you're standing. But here's the truth I need you to hear. You are not your job title. You never were. The title was something you did. It was never the whole of who you are. Think of an actor who plays one role for years. Over time, the line blurs, and he forgets where the character ends and he begins. But when the show closes, the actor is still there. He was there the whole time underneath. The stage went dark. The actor did not disappear. You are the actor, not the role. And the work of this season, the real work, is remembering who that person is. So let me give you a place to start. Ask yourself this. Who were you before the career swallowed so much of your life? What did you love before there was never enough time for it? What do the people closest to you see when they see you and not your position? What are you proud of that has nothing to do with a paycheck? Sit with those, not for an answer today, just to remember that a whole person lives underneath the title, a person with worth that no company gave you and no company could ever take away. The job is gone. You are not. This is not the end of your story. It may be the first time in decades you get to ask who you truly are and answer it on your own terms. Take your time. You're still here. And that's exactly where we begin.